Hey babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Say hi. My head, I'm like previously on the thesis, but to be honest, this is not previously on the thesis type video because a lot is going on, man, and I am not gonna open up about it yet. So please enjoy my venting session. Thokozani. Thokozani.
Bitch, I'm back. I'm popular the man.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
It's OREYO. Hey besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Victoria. That's your ultimate favorite Lucy goddess. I don't even have the energy to like do that intro. It even feels weird for me to be in front of the camera like this, and it's super weird even for like my previous video, like the one that I took and I was talking to you guys. I was telling y'all how grateful I am, how I feel I'm about to step into my next era, and yeah, this is the next chapter. Like I'm walking through my next chapter, and I always say to myself, well, like the journey will never be easy. Like it's hard, and as much as it will never be easy. And this journey is mine, so no one is going to walk it for me. Like yeah, and then I'm going through it, bitch. I'm just going through it like every day. And it feels like I don't know if I need discipline or if I need alcohol, because I remember I was in this state last year, spiritually taking everything was just a mess spiritually, and I was going through the most. December. Then I decided to, you know what, let me go out and live a little until that was when I was ruining my life, because the decisions that I took were like dumbest decisions. So I knew better this year, and I've been through so much this year, and I've grown so much. All things to eat lazy, but still, it's not easy. And as much as I know it's not easy, it doesn't go like you never get used to it. Do some shadow work, and no questions asked. Ask no questions, hear no lies. Welcome to this week's month. I don't know what years. I don't know if I'm going to be posting this in 2022. Should we reflect on the year? I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know why I'm shooting this video, but I just feel like it's been a while. It's actually been over 2 months since the last time I picked the camera. I'm even surprised during the was cool. But all thanks to Eagles, because Eagles will like show you things, will like teach you things in a practical way. There has never been a time more of one textbook as spirituality, and people said this is how things are gonna be. You can look at your journey, or you can look at my journey as a spiritual person and think, okay, now Victoria will that's it in like 2 years. So that means my journey is also gonna be the same. It's not gonna be the same. We are working different journeys, and our fellow journeys are on they won't be easy. as much as we think we figured things out, it was always like shuts you up for a second or for a few months where you feel like you're in the dark and they're not there. And then they come back and they have a slap. Like when they come back and reveal things to you, you feel like, oh, or they just, I can say they have this thing of remembering you who's boys and remembering how great they can be or how great we are, you know. It just feels weird because no matter how positive all of this may sound on a video, when you're going through all of these things, it's not easy. So I'm just in my feels here, and it's been 2 months without me like coming here on YouTube, and I actually recorded a video a day ago, and then I was talking about, I was just reacting on defining breakups, but then it's like, do I really want to do this? Because actually my YouTube channel is like my journal, like a journal, and each time I come in front of the camera and talk to the camera and post, each time I upload on my channel, it shows what I'm trying to say is, it shows that I took time for myself and made time for myself and just looked after myself and checked in with myself. But my camera died, so I couldn't finish that. Let's carry on.
Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to